CHSN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Chanson International stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Especially looking at CHSN, bro, this is a bearish market, and having done well over 44,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. I'm not even just exaggerating. You can check my YouTube channel. It's all documented. The data shows. With this recent video that I also made, it was a sell side prediction. And since then, it kind of went down, you know? Like, it went from 11 cents to like I was aiming like 10 cents or whatever. We went to like 6, and then the only thing that's gonna make me be bullish, like bottom line, is if I see a full candle close above 13 cents. Anything in the meantime is just a bearish market, and I would just much rather focus on other tickers than this. This is poor for right now and not forever. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, just click the first link in the description. It's free, and I even think I have like a receipt or 2 here. Yeah, 1. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.